Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to remove Facebook from devices. So, if you think someone else has access to your Facebook account or you simply want to sign out from all devices, Facebook lets you remove any login devices in just a few taps. So, to start, open Facebook in your web browser and sign into your account. Next, click your profile in the top right corner. Next, go to the bottom and select Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Now on the left side, select Password and Security. Next, under Security Check, so this is where you can review security issues by running checks across apps, devices, and email sent. So from these options, what you need to do is to click where you're logged in. So select your Facebook account. Then in here, find the device you want to remove and click Log Out. You can also click Select Devices to log out. So select the device and click Log Out. So you can select more than one, then click Log Out and click Log Out to confirm the action. So if you want to log out of all devices, so just select or click Select Devices to log out. Or log out of all sessions if it's available, then confirm your choice. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.